Disney is said to have dropped Depp from the Pirates franchise just 4 days after Heard's incendiary 2018 op-ed in the same publication, in which she claimed, without naming Depp, that she was the victim of domestic violence. Depp's lawyers claim that the actor's removal from the multi-billion-dollar grossing franchise was because of her allegations. Depp owns Disney as the media begins to turn. Allegations of domestic violence and ongoing legal troubles reportedly cost Johnny Depp his Oscar-nominated starring role in the multi-billion-dollar grossing Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. Just a few years ago, Johnny Depp was one of the highest-paid actors in the world, but allegations of domestic violence made him box office poison. Petitions calling for his removal from Pirates of the Caribbean and Fantastic Beasts franchises emerged. Depp, in a lawsuit against his ex-wife Amber Heard, claimed that her allegations had hurt his career. The complainant also blamed Heard for Disney announcing that it had dropped Depp from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise 4 days after the op-ed was published, the report said. In 2018, Disney production chief Sean Bailey confirmed that Depp was no longer a part of the franchise's future plans. He told The Hollywood Reporter, "We want to bring in a new energy and vitality. I love Pirates movies, but part of the reason writers Paul Wernick and Rhett Reese are so interesting in that we want to give it a kick and a pants. And that's what I've tasked them with." Another reason for his removal could be the fact that Disney couldn't afford him anymore. According to Forbes, Depp's salary, including a health profit percentage, reaches close to $100 million per Pirates film. That's almost 700 crore, but the last entry posted unremarkable box office numbers. Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men No Tales, the series' fifth film, registered a box office hole of almost $800 million, well below the over $1 billion total of the franchise's second and fourth film. In the $963 million haul of the third one, Disney is looking to save $90 million by recasting Depp, the report said. Previously, the original Pirates film screenwriter Stuart Beatty had confirmed that the studio was looking to reboot the series. "I think he's had a great run," he told Daily Mail TV. "Obviously, he's made the character his own and it's become the thing that is most famous for now. It's been great for him and it's been great for us. There's that saying, don't frown because it's over, smile because it happened. The fact that they're rebooting something that you did means that you did something that was worth rebooting. It's an honor." Depp's last few films, Mordecai, Alice Through the Looking Glass, Transcendence, The Lone Ranger, have been box office disappointments. His upcoming film, City of Angels, was shelved at the last minute due to disputes. Depp has played Jack Sparrow in 5 pirate films, which have collectively made over $4.5 billion worldwide. The first film earned Depp an Academy Award nomination for Best Actor. However, according to a new report, recent developments and Depp's ongoing legal tussle with Heard suggest that Disney might be having second thoughts about the actor. And We Got This Covered report claimed that following a series of revelations in a court case between the two former spouses, we're now hearing that the 56-year-old could be set to reprise his Academy Award-nominated signature role in the upcoming 6th movie. The report said that Disney is looking to hire a female lead for the upcoming film, with Depp appearing in a supporting role. After 5 films spanning 15 years, the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise has become one of the best-selling movie chains of all time. Pirates of the Caribbean 5 made nearly $800 million globally, and Pirates of the Caribbean 6 has become a highly anticipated movie. However, Johnny Depp, who played the famous character of Captain Jack Sparrow in all 5 films, was allegedly removed from the 6th movie in the franchise. He was reportedly dropped from the role following the allegations made against him by his ex-wife Amber Heard. 4 days after the op-ed was published in the Washington Post, Depp was allegedly let go from the franchise of the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise in December 2018. Johnny Depp denied the domestic violence allegation that was charged by Amber Heard. According to Cinema Blend, Depp's lawyer filed a $50 million defamation suit against Heard and claimed her abuse allegations were part of an elaborate hoax to generate positive publicity for Miss Heard and advance her career. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard met on the set of The Rum Diary in 2009. After Depp split with his ex-wife Vanessa Paradis, he started dating Heard in 2012. Depp and Heard married in a private ceremony in 2015. Heard filed for divorce in 2016, and she also obtained a restraining order against Depp. was she accused of physically abusing her during the marriage. Amber Heard penned an op-ed piece that accused Depp of sexual violence and physically abusing her during their marriage. According to Unilad, Heard did not mention Depp's name in the op-ed but wrote about the treatment of women involved in domestic abuse and remarked on how she herself was treated with the same. Many fans struggled to envision Captain Jack Sparrow's character played by anyone else but Johnny Depp. A petition titled "We Want Johnny Depp Back as Captain Jack Sparrow" surfaced on the internet. In a petition on change.org, some of the lines in the petition read, "But can you imagine no Jack Sparrow at all, no epic entry scores, no humorous dialogues, and the guy with the most good and bad luck at the same time? Don't they know that without Johnny Depp or Jack Sparrow, they will sink? They will never be able to reach that horizon." Soon enough, the petition started to get thousands of signatures, and it has accumulated more than 500,000 signatures by now. The petition did have some notable effect later. It was reported by the Daily Express in January that Disney is reconsidering the actors' revival in their franchise following the online petition. With Pirates of the Caribbean being a multi-billion-dollar franchise, it has a lot of fans. And many of those fans like the movies just the way they have been, including Johnny Depp. A petition was started some time ago when it was first reported that the Pirates movies would receive a reboot, asking that Disney not replace Johnny Depp in the films. Last November, when Depp walked away from his role in the Fantastic Beasts movies, the petition was around 300,000 signatures, but signatures have continued to be added, and now it stands at over 475,000. It seems certain now that the current goal of 500,000 will be reached. There are only about two things about Pirates of the Caribbean film franchise that seem certain at this point. One is that there will be a future for the franchise. At least two movies are currently in some form of development. The other thing that seems certain is that Captain Jack Sparrow will not be part of that future. Every indication is that Disney has decided to take the films in a new direction, in that Johnny Depp, who has made more headlines for these legal battles than his film roles in a couple of years, is not part of that direction.